Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Weathers, poem written by Thomas Hardy. This person was Thomas Hardy, our Weathers poem poet. So he has written. Let us learn something about him. He was born on 2nd June 1840 in Stinsford, Dorchester, Dorset, in England. And he passed away on 11th January 1928 at the age of 87 at Dorchester, Dorset in England. Stinsford Parish Church is a resting place. So coming to his occupation, he was a novelist, poet and short story writer. Weathers, you must tell me which is your favorite season, what do you like about it, and also which season do you think is the best season for traveling and sightseeing? Why? You can also draw a picture in a postcard size depicting a beautiful season, and you can write a short message for your friend on it and give to your friend. So coming to word bank, we have be tumble, disarrange, bills, sings, and spring muslin, light muslin, summer dress, shuns, avoids, duns, dull, greyish brown color, thresh, wave violently from side to side. So let us read this poem, which brings out the difference between the spring season and autumn season in England. How is the spring season? How is the autumn season? We are going to learn. Clear? Yes. Okay. This is the weather the cuckoo likes, and so do I. When showers be tumble, the chestnut spikes and nestling fly, and the little brown nightingale builds his best, and they sit outside at the traveler's rest. So this is the weather the cuckoo likes. The cuckoo likes this weather, it seems. Yeah, this is the weather the cuckoo likes. So here we can see cuckoo. How beautiful it is. It's black in color but sings very sweetly. And the other photo is a nightingale. Okay. Okay, nightingale spelling is wrong. Okay, let us correct it. N-I-G-H. 19. Okay, nightingale, right? Okay, this is the weather the cuckoo likes. The cuckoo likes the weather, and the poet also likes, because of the cuckoo likes it. And how was the weather? What is happening in that weather? Yeah, this is chestnut spikes. When showers be tumble, the chestnut spikes. So when the rain, showers means when the rain falls, water falls on this tree of chestnut tree in England, in European country. Because of the rain, this chestnut falls down. It falls on one branch to other branch. The chestnut spike means a bunch of chestnuts. They are chestnuts. You can see when it is green in color. Now you will understand. Yes, these are called chestnut spikes. So in a tree, when the rain falls on these fruits will start falling from one branch to another branch. It's almost like dancing. And nightingale fly. We have seen the picture here, nightingale. This nightingale used to fly from the bird's nest. And little brown nightingale builds his best. The little brown color nightingale, bills is best. It started singing. We have bills means two meanings. One is the mouth of the bird, and other bills is presenting the song. And they sit outside at travelers rest. While what happened, while this bird is singing, the travelers will sit at rest means they sit in a pub or hub in an open place and watch this bird singing and watch the weather. This is the spring season. The poet is showing the difference between spring and autumn season. Okay, a winter season, spring and winter. So, and let us read the next stanza. And maids come forth sprig muslin dressed, and citizens dream of south and west, and so do I. So during this spring season, maids means girls, they dressed in sprig muslin dressed. So sprig muslin dressed means, I will show you the picture. Yeah, this is a sprig muslin dressed. So young girls wearing this dress, and they come during the spring season. And next, citizens dream of south and west. It means citizens will always think for the best comfortable weather to visit some places. Tourists. Citizens means nothing but tourists who go for different places. Pilgrims means holy places, like visiting temples or visiting Taj Mahal, Agra. So like different places, Mysore Palace. So they wait for the best weather and best climate. They cannot go in summer to Ooty, in Araku or something like that. So when we go during this spring season, or then only we can enjoy the weather. Next stanza, if you see, this is the weather, the shepherd's sons, and so do I. So we have completed spring season. The birds are liking, citizens are searching for the good weather to go to different tourist places, and girls come in muslin dress. So even I also like this season. Now we are talking about winter season. This is the weather the shepherd's sons. Means the shepherd didn't like to go when it is winter, very cold. When breeches drip in, you can't see, let me zoom it, yes, you can see now, yes. When breeches drip in browns and duns, and thresh and ply. You can see the meaning of this line, I'll show you. Yes, beeches drip in brown and dun. Beeches are the deciduous forest found specially in the west. Dun means a dull grayish brown color in European continent. So this is what breeches drip means. They fall. The branches will fall down. They change into brown color, grayish brown color. So it doesn't look nice. And thrush and fly. This also I would like to tell you. Yeah, thrush and fly is nothing but they used to fall from the tree during the season. And next, and hid tides throb, throw on throw. Hid tides throb and throw on throw. It means the water which flows from the mountain. See, you can see here the water suddenly forcefully comes out from the inside of the mountain and flows to the valley. and it makes lakes near the valley. So this is what we call, and hill hid tides throw and throw, and meadow rivulets overflow. So we can see the meadows below the mountains, below the hills. We can see that the river is full of water or lakes. We can understand that it has been raining. It has been raining on the hills. So we are able to see now the river is full of water overflowing. Okay. See here, and meadows rivulets overflow, and drops on gate bars hang in a row. What does it mean? You can see in the picture. And drops on gates bar hang in a row. So very beautiful, no? Once if you experience this, you feel very happy and excited to see also. So when the rain falls on these iron bars or iron things, or in the window iron bars, the drops which are slowly falling down, you can hear the drops music sound, and the raindrops falling on it slowly, one by one it drips. We can see this beautiful thing during the rainy time. And next, and rooks in families homeward go. So we can understand that rooks means crows going away from the place where they came out of the nest. So usually birds go out to have some food or have water, but suddenly they go back. Especially the crows, the largest bird, feed on some seeds but not on worms or insects. Many crows feed on insects and worms, but this rooks, which is a black bird and very big in size, exist in Europe continent. They feed on seeds but not on insects and worms. They started going back to their nest, and the poet understood that this weather is not suitable for me also. Even I also should go home. So when the weathers are when the shepherd, if you have seen the shepherd is you can see here a shepherd. So the shepherd didn't like this weather because it is very cold. So he didn't like, he avoids coming out of the home or house. He stays where he take rest. He doesn't want to come out. And we have seen the beaches drip in brown and dance. Even trees are changing into brown color, and they drop out the leaves and branches. And the water flows from the hillside and flow into the river, and the river gets full of water. So during that time, it's not good for animals or birds to go out. They didn't like, birds and animals, and shepherd also didn't like to go out. So even the poet also doesn't like to come out during this season. So what the poet is saying to us finally, see, even finally what he was showing me, he says that the poem Weathers, written by an English poet, Thomas Hardy, talks about two different seasons, the spring and the winter season. Symbolically, the poet tries to state that bright and dark aspect of human life, and the word weathers indicates the human life. So weather is a human life. In the weather we have two things. In the human life we have two things, bad and good. So spring represents the bright, the better, the comfortable life we are searching for it, and the good life we are desiring for it. And winter represents the dark aspect of our life. Sometimes we get sadness, we fell sick, we lose our health, we get diseases.